This time on Novice Garage, we make brake pads out of sandpaper and see if they can actually stop a car. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, make sure to slap that subscribe button with post notifications on so you don't miss any new video. And as you guys can probably tell from the intro, we're in the middle of shooting motorcycle tire part 2. If you guys haven't seen the original video where we put motorcycle tires on this Miata, link in the description, go watch that video. Once that video hits 10,000 likes, we will be dropping part 2, which we're currently filming, and didn't really go so right. Let's show you guys real quick. On our way to go off-road this thing in the trails, we had a blowout on the trailer. Luckily it was on the trailer, not on the street. The tire completely debeated itself, so we gotta figure that out. But we're trying something that just literally popped in my head. I don't know where these ideas come from. So we went to good old Wally World and we picked ourselves up a bunch of sandpaper. Well, technically sanding sponges. Honestly, I think they have a pretty good chance of stopping a car. Don't do this at home. All right guys, so first things first, we need to jack this car up and remove the motorcycle tires so we can actually take the brake pads out of the calipers. Let's do it. All right guys, here's the brake pad off the car, and this is the sanding block we're gonna use. So now what we need to do is somehow cut it to make it the same size, roughly, you know. Yeah, we just gotta make it roughly good enough to stop the car. So that's the goal right now. All right guys, the sandpaper brake pad is in. All we really did was take the old brake pad and we took the backing plate off of it, which is like, you know, thin metal. The backing plate is now mounted to the sanding block, and it kind of punched like 3 holes where it hangs on usually to an actual brake pad. That backing plate allows the caliper to pull onto it better. Well, in theory. I mean, we don't know until we know, so. But yeah guys, the first side is done. We got our sandpaper brake pad in. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right guys, we got the second sandpaper brake pad on, and we did pretty much the same thing on this side, but you know, we tried to compact it down with the truck.
All right guys, so Gabe's idea is to crush the sponge.
But as we're learning, the brake caliper is already pinching it pretty good, so since the caliper is already crushing it, it's making it a lot more dense, which should give us more stopping power. So let's go ahead and knock the front out.
All right guys, so right now we're testing the brakes, and so Gabe, push the brakes. Ooh,
it worked, dude. It stalled the car. It freaking stalled the car. Also guys, one more thing before we do the fronts. We are starting a whole new thing. We actually created a Twitch account like last night. Every Sunday around 1 o'clock-ish, we'll be going live on Twitch, so you guys can literally be with us whenever we're making these viral videos. Link in the description, follow us on Twitch. So if you're wondering why the fenders are off, that's because we had a clearance issue with the motorcycle tires on the Miata. We have the fenders chilling over there. So yeah, but we're gonna keep them off for this video just because there's no point putting them back on.
Buddy, come. Whoa, you good dude, Jesus.
We got the whole squad with us now. Dumb, Dumb, and Dumber, especially this one. Now Jay is gonna attempt to get the Miata on this here trailer with the sandpaper brakes.
I signed a waive of responsibility waiver today. Oh my God. This is a terrible idea. Too fat to get out, so looks like I'm buckled up for the ride.
Are you gonna ride with him too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my God.
It's safe, right?
Howdy y'all, my name's Gabe. We're gonna go on around on here, and this, you see this right here? That car right there's got 2 morons in it, and them 2 morons are gonna go right on down on that trailer, and hopefully they're gonna fall off so we can see how well them brakes work on that car, right? Okay.
Alright guys, we're here at our skid pad. These two numbnuts survived the drive over here, surprisingly.
Numbnuts.
Let's go ahead and unload this car.
I've been trying to use the e-brake this time.
Yeah.
There's no brakes.
Alright, you ready to give it a rip, dude?
Are we gonna floor it this time?
Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, add brake.
Alright, and 25. Come on!
I expected worse. It stopped. It kind of stopped, dude. Hell yeah.
Now get it into second gear.
Oh no.
Joe, this is one way to resurface your brake rotors. This is so sketchy right now. I mean, Alright guys, so here's the plan. Jay's gonna start way over there. As soon as he hits these sandbags, he's gonna start braking. And the goal is to stop before he hits this cone. And we're gonna do a couple different tests to see how well they work.
I say for the first test, I'm gonna throw this cone at the car.
You didn't die.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can beat that.
Oh my god.
God.
Alright guys, test number 2 in 3, 2, 1, hit it!
Oh god, we're in the fucking car! Dude, it feels like they're getting better as they heat up.
It's hot. Okay, turn it off.
No.
It's overheating? Oh no. I hear something.
As the brakes got warmed up, that seems like it was grabbing a lot better. I think that last run we got up to about 60, almost top a second, and we hit the cone, so.
I noticed on that last run, you actually locked the brakes up.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe not all 4, but at least 2
One of them locked because they went.
Yeah.
This one does not.
You heard the skirt, skirt.
Do not daily drive this.
The brake pad is coming out on the side. Look, this is the sandpaper dust that's really hot, and you can see it's curling up. Like, look, that's.
That's not good.
Here, let me just clean your rims. Oh shit! You might want to get some new rotors after this.
Yeah, guys, I think it's down. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, we're done. We're done? Yeah, come here and look at this. Look at the brake.
Oh my god! What the hell? You done broke it.
Look at it.
You undid it, boy.
That's why we were braking.
Oh! Back on the trailer it goes. Now it's gonna come back and make it better, right?
So what we should obviously do, since we're already at the point of failure, is a burnout.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, drop a like or don't, but please do.
Yeah, man. It worked, kind of.
We got a couple really good runs.
Yes. So
that's when
what's left of it's probably not a great idea. That's why we're stopping this. But I mean, it worked. We stopped. We didn't die.
Also, guys, June 16th will be our monthly runway racing event. We will have the Miata out there with the motorcycle tires on it. So if you want to see this thing in real life in all of its ugly glory, come on out.
Bring your car out there, bring your friends. We're gonna have drifting, autocross, food vendor out there, which we are dropping tonight on the Facebook, so sneak peek. 20 bucks to drive all day, 5 bucks to come and watch.
Go check out our Facebook page. That's how we keep you guys updated with all of our meets and events. Link in the description. It's just facebook.com/Novice Garage. I'm pretty sure that's how you can get there, right, Joe? He's our RT guy.
He's RT guy.
Yeah, we will see you guys on Twitch this Sunday.
Make sure you show up to the event and you stay there till at least 5 because we give away 3 free entries every single time.
With that said, peace out. We'll see you guys next time. Drop a comment. What should we try next?
Did you get that on camera?
Sorry, bud.
Follow me out
too fat to get out, so looks like I'm buckled up for the ride.
You know why? Because you can skip the gym. That's why.
Also true.